Welcome. Let's try to understand bivariate data analysis. So we'll try to understand the relationship first. So previous videos we understood univariate data distribution. Now we'll try to understand the relationship between like the height of a son and the height of a father, price of a commodity and the amount of goods demand, player scores and the number of hours he practiced. So if the variables like these are the variables like price of the commodity and the demand, player scores and his number of hours of practice, they show related variation, then we say they are correlated. So correlation is a statistical device which helps in analyzing the covariation of two or more variables. It is a study of interdependence between the variables. It determines the degree of relation between the variables. Correlation may be simple correlation, multiple correlation, or partial correlation. Simple correlation concerned with the variation between two related variables. Multiple, it is a related variation between three or more variables. In multiple correlation, three or more variables are studied simultaneously. In partial, we recognize more than two variables but consider only two variables to be influencing each other, and the effect of other influencing variable will be kept constant. So two variables are said to be correlated when they tend to vary either in the same direction or in the opposite direction. For example, we will see rainfall is there. So if adequate rainfall is there, the production of paddy is good. That means they are related to each other. So we have causation. A cause and effect relationship between two variables is called causation. So we have three types of relationship. For example, rainfall is the cause and yield of paddy is the effect. Demand is the cause and price is the effect. Yield of rice and tea, they are the effects. Again, here the cause is rainfall. Increase in production causes decrease in price. You take some production of electronic products or goods. So if you produce one good, the price of that good will be more. You take the example of a TV, or it can be an audio system, or it can be a computer system. If you are producing only one, the price of that will be very, very high. So you produce in hundreds, thousands, lakhs, crores. So when you are doing a mass production, then the price of that computer comes down. This is again a relationship. So when there is a demand, automatically the prices go up. So due to the population growth, there is a demand for everything. Demand for rice, demand for dal, etc. Demand for houses, demand for water. So what happens? Because of the demand, the prices go up. So there is one more nonsense correlation or spurious correlation. This is done when correlation is in the absence of causation. We will try to understand with the example. See, sales of pigs and sales of pig iron, they are not at all related. So pig, you know it is an animal. Pig iron, you know it is a metal. So this and this are all not at all related. There is no causation only in this. This type is called nonsense correlation or spurious correlation. Note one thing, correlation does not necessarily imply causation, but the existence of causation always implies correlation. So we have positive correlation, negative correlation, non-correlation and perfect correlation, which we will see in our coming up videos. Thank you guys. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, click on the bell icon, subscribe for my channel, give your valuable feedbacks, waiting for your feedback.